I'm Rajashmi. Today I'd like to share with you guys about the sound effect app that I've used, which is this app. Okay, this app has more than 50 choices of sound effect that you want, and it has a lot of choices to make as your ringtone. It can be your alarm tone or ringtone, messenger tone, and you can set for a specific contact number as a ringtone. It has also a lot of lists such as annoying ringtone, siren, scary ringtone, funny, and natural. It is also representing some emoji for the sound effect, whereby you not only can read, you can recognize it by just seeing it, and it also attractive. The most important thing, it is also free. You can just press install, it will be downloaded by its own self, and yeah, you can use to attract kids or anything. It has a lot of advantage, so don't wait long, just download it.